here we are, May 16th, 2018. I've had the Scout 60 now for a little over a month. I'd say 6 weeks roughly. Just did my first oil change, changed out the break-in oil on it. You're supposed to do it at 500 miles. I got like 661 miles on it so far. It was actually a pretty easy oil change. A lot of people say you have to go take the horn off to get the filter off, which I found out the way I did it, I never even had to take that off. And the only tools you really need to do this is a 6mm Allen wrench. And to get the filter off, all you had to do is come around to this side and get yourself one of these. It's just a regular wrench, and you could just coil right up underneath on the right hand side of the bike and pull the filter off. It came off pretty easy. You know, you crush the filter a little bit taking it off that way, but it comes off pretty easy after that, and then you just hand tighten it on there pretty good and it comes off. But you do not have to take the horn off like a lot of people say you do on other YouTube videos. You can do it. You can see I do everything in a dirt driveway, stone driveway, so it was really pretty easy.
I smoke TNT, drinking dynamite. I hope some screwball starts a fire, 'cause I'm ready